Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Just doing a real quick video. Wanted to show you all the donations for Toys for Tots. First, huge shout out to Matthew Kirscht for doing the commission Christmas/Halloween postcard for me. It turned out awesome. Looks great. And want to also thank everybody who came out to the WhatNot auction last night, and all proceeds from last night auction is going to it's split it between local Toys for Tots and national Toys for Tots. So last night's auction brought in $986 and sold, I think I sold around 20 of the cards, and then all the sketched ones went well, so thank you all again. So that was $986. That leaves me with I still have 22 of the cards available that will be in all future shows. All proceeds, doesn't matter if it sells next week or 3 months from now, all sales from that card right over here will go to Toys for Tots. So since I still have 22 cards left and I wanted to make sure Toys for Tots gets their money sooner than later, I pre-donated the value of those cards right there, which came out to, well, 22 times 22 is 484. So when you add that to the 986 from last night, you get 1470. I rounded it up. I'm a Navy guy, but I definitely appreciate what the Marines are doing with the Toys for Tots donations and all the work that they do. And I've been a huge supporter for of Toys for Tots for it's probably going on 10 years at least now, that every year I've made some type of donation, and that has just grown and grown over the years. So I donated with all the proceeds. I rounded it up to 1,500. Made the donations. This is the national one here. You can see on the screen, donation total $750. And then the local one, which is Frederick, Maryland. I just got this. Hey, thanks. So didn't get any type of return email or anything yet, but just here's my credit card, and you can see two $750 Toys for Tots donations totaling up 1,500. So again, $750 to national and $750 to the local one, which I always donate to. And I could not have done it without you, and of course Matthew Kirscht. So I thank you very much for those who purchased something last night, and keep coming to my auctions on WhatNot. We got one coming up Saturday. A lot of great Dave lots, and any further proceeds, well, I've already donated, but any further proceeds will be considered as donations. And I've reached out to WhatNot to hopefully anybody who bought something last night during that auction, I'm working on hopefully getting your you can get reimbursed for shipping. I will let you know if that actually happens. Thanks again. We'll do a what sold video probably later in the week, so keep an eye out for that. I just want to do the Toys for Tots stuff, get that out to you. Again, thank you very much.